Good morning. My name is Jessica Carollo. We are starting a new series called Spotlight on Employee Performance. So our first employee that we want to recognize and introduce you to today is Steven Lutrick. He is a welder that has been with our company for just almost 3 years next month. Steven started as a welder and he has grown to be a part of our elite fabrication team. So I'd like to introduce you to him today. Steven, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name's Steven Lutrick, 41 years old. Basically weld pretty much anything we got in the shop. I was a structural welder for 4 years.
Okay.
And then I started over here as a pipe welder.
Well, he has a very impressive track record, and I'd love to share a little bit about that with you. So in 2.5 years, he's done 792 butt welds for more control systems, and 641 of those have been x-rayed with not a single break. That's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive.
Well, my original goal was to make my personal goal. It had nothing to do with the company, was to make it a year. And I got close to the year, and I made it a year. And I was like, man, what do I do now? And I was like, well, I guess I'm going to go for 2 years, you know? And then I made it 2 years, and then now here I am again, and fixing to be at 3 years.
We're very excited to have Steven. And I also wanted to just ask you a couple questions. So tell us whose responsibility it is when it comes to safety and welding.
Safety is everybody's responsibility.
Absolutely. So do you work well under pressure?
I'm the type of person, and this is the term I learned in my old job, because every morning we had a safety meeting with a new topic, and I would read them a lot of times. Some people have internal pressure, and some people need external pressure. I have internal pressure. I really do. I didn't actually know it till I read that topic. I have a lot of internal pressure. So I'm not really the type of person that needs pressure. Do I work well under pressure? I work good under pressure. But I really don't need the pressure. I'm the type of person, I want to get it done, and I want to get it done good and right to the best of my ability. I take a lot of pride in it.
That's very
and
cool.
Yeah.
So what I heard you say is that you take a lot of pride in the job that you do. You want it to be safe, and you want it to be done right. And that goes hand in hand with who More Control Systems is. So Steve, thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it, and congratulations on being our very first welder to Spotlight Performance.
Thank you, ma'am.